Here we are again at folks in the field, and we've just got loaded up and we are about to head off to go and set up. Dan, our driver, as he's looking very majestic there, sitting in his buggy. And yep, so we're all loaded up and we're ready to rock and roll. So we've got the Starlink set up here on the roof up here. You can see that there's the Starlink, and then we've got the equipment down here on the cover and in the box. And then we've got the cables coming down here. They're going off into the woods. We've now got to get all our stuff packed up, and we're going to head over to the other site. Yes, and what we're now going to do is going to go over to the other side of the woods, and we're going to set up our 2 Access Mesh Pros. Right, so here we have our 4G access point. So this is a 4G unit and a wireless access point as well. And this is just for what we call the gating area. So this is the gating area. This is where people come in and get checked in when they come to the festival. So that's up and working. We've got approximately about 12 meg down and about 1 meg up, which should be okay for the QR codes. So that's perfect for that. So we're just going to get packed up now, and we're going to go and check the rest of the site. Okay, so we have 5 separate access points that we've set up here out in the field. So our first one is over here. So if we go over here, you can see that we have one access point hiding up there in the tree. There's that one there. So that's one of our access points, just hiding there. And if we go for a little bit of a walk this way, I believe. Now we've got this one over here. So what we've done is we've put a wireless access point in this cabin here. So we have Wi-Fi now in this space as well. So we've got it powered up from our PoE switch down here, and we've just put an in-wall just here, because that's all we need to do. So that's this one here. Okay, so then we'll go over to this next little access point. So we have our two AP mesh pros here, covering this area. So those two there. Got good range on those, so if we take a look over the field here, we can see that we get a good range all the way around here. It's completely saturated with Wi-Fi, so that's good. So that's that one. Then let's head back over to the bar, and we've got our central hub of the of this setup. So all of this is powered by Starlink. So except for the gauging area, all of this is all powered from a Starlink system, and then we've managed to span it out with lots of cables across this entire site. So let's just go to the bar and take a look. Okay, so if we come into this area here, we have our Starlink system set up here and powered from down here. You can see there's a lot of cabling going on here, but there we go. We have our Starlink system set up that provides the internet to at least half of the site, or most of the site I should say. So that now gives us a really good Wi-Fi range both inside the main area, the main arena area, so traders can do their QR codes, as well as doing things like charging for drinks and food and so forth. So that's all now covered, so that's really good. We're really happy with that, good range. And we've also took a look at the office site, and we've also taken a look at where the main traders will be setting up. So that's it for today. That's really good. I think we're really happy with the setup. I think Dan's really happy. If you kind of like this kind of video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!